Welcome to number 2 Estates View Drive in Fairview Heights, Illinois. As you step through the front door, you are immediately welcomed by the warm and inviting atmosphere of this stunning tri-level home. The spacious living room and dining room is filled with natural light, perfect for hosting family gatherings and special occasions. Moving into the kitchen, you will find a cozy breakfast nook, offering a perfect space for morning coffee or casual meals. Adjacent to the kitchen is a sunken family room, a comfortable retreat with a half bath, ideal for relaxing evenings or entertaining guests. Off the kitchen, there is a spacious sunroom. Now let's head upstairs to the master bedroom, a true owner's sanctuary with a generous walk-in closet and private access to a spacious walk-in attic, offering ample storage. Continuing down the hall, we pass the laundry area, conveniently located on the bedroom level. The 2 additional large bedrooms provide plenty of room, each offering comfort and natural light. This home is situated on a private 3-acre wooded lot, with exclusive lake access for fishing and boating.